This video describes the rule-based anomaly detection component developed by Aarhus University for the Marvel project. The component has been developed under the task 3.3 of 4.3 titled Multimodal Audio-Visual Intelligence. The goal is to monitor the behavior of road users at junctions based on provided object detections and handcrafted rules. The model is developed to consume as little resources as possible. The model takes as input object detections from the CATFlow component and uses rules to identify if there are any anomalies to report. One of the rules includes presence maps, which dictate where the specific category of traffic users can be present according to traffic rules. As you can see on the right, pedestrians are allowed at the designated sides of the road, which are marked in white. If a pedestrian moves outside of it, the anomaly will be reported by the model. Additionally, the model detects when the buses are not on schedule or when heavy vehicles are present during the forbidden hours. In this video, we can see a result of applying a CATFlow component to recording from a road camera to detect traffic users, and the RBAD component to analyze these detections and report anomalies. Detected objects are marked with blue boxes and a corresponding label. When a driver goes out from the car and steps into the road, the CATFlow model recognizes it as a pedestrian. And the RBAD component identifies that this pedestrian is traveling outside the allowed area, which triggers the anomaly. As soon as the pedestrian is out of sight, the model stops reporting anomalies.